Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Ford Kuga ST-Line Edition. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. This particular colour, which is a premium colour, is called the Agate Black and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we have a look inside, being the ST-Line Edition, you have the sports seats there, which are half leather and suede with the red stitching, which also matches the steering wheel. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. The smart display there. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Kuga's a great car for the family, so easy access into the back. So if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. And it's good to see that the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Ford as well. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have your good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that comes up with the tailgate, so that's clever. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit there on the right hand side. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch alloy wheels, parking sensors and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and you can also finance the car with us with no deposit up to 5 years with different payment options. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.